Hello my dear student friends, welcome to my YouTube channel KK's Maths Academy. I hope all are doing good. I guess all of you are watching my videos. If not, please watch videos completely. Already we discussed in previous video about boundaries of half angle theory covered in that video by discussing with a good diagram S plus C, S minus C, indirectly limits of a by 2 concept with a good diagram, theorem covered in previous video. Now in boundaries of half angle same concept, applications means examples now I am going to give. Now there is a clarity about this video. Continuation for boundaries of half angle theory and the theorem covered. So please my dear students, be cautious. First you observe the video, first you finish watching the video of first video, that boundaries of half angle, then it will be easy for understanding boundaries of half angle applications, means examples, right? Concentrate. First question, if 2 sin a by 2 equal to plus root 1 plus sin a plus root 1 minus sin a, then find limits of a by 2. I think you understood question. Here in previous video, boundaries of half angle, a theorem, a good diagram given, you know very well. If not, please watch that video, then there is a clarity. So that's why many times I told that matter, so don't feel bored. It is a good application of boundaries of half angle, limits of a by 2, and directly from S plus C, S minus C diagram. S plus C, S minus C diagram. Concentrate. Limits of a by 2. Here in theory video, this is treat them as first quadrant, this treat them as second quadrant, and this will be new third quadrant, and this will be new fourth quadrant. The boundaries are pi by 4 minus pi by 4, and also this will be 9 pi by 4. The region here 360 plus 45. Both axes x and y axis are rotated by 45. Therefore 360 plus 45, 405. I think it will be 9 pi by 4, and it will be 270 plus 45. I think 315. This will be 360, and this will be 180 plus 45, 225. So these boundaries are essential, and a simple revision about this diagram in previous video already we discussed. First quadrant is a positive, second quadrant is a negative, third quadrant is new third quadrant negative, new fourth quadrant is a positive, negative. So here with this diagram, many more objective questions in our JEE calculations. So be cautious. New first, new second, new third, new fourth. Okay. Here one simple tabular form I am going to give. This will be plus plus in first quadrant, in second quadrant it will be negative, positive, in third quadrant negative, in fourth quadrant it will be plus minus. You know very well. Here in our previous video theorem, I think you understood fully. 2 sin a by 2 equal to plus or minus root 1 plus sin a plus or minus root 1 minus a theorem. Proved already. 2 cos a by 2 equal to plus or minus 1 plus sin a minus plus root of 1 minus sin a. So here two symbols, but based on this diagram only one symbol depends on the quadrant in which a by 2 lies. A by 2 lies. I think you understood my point. So based on a by 2 quadrant, the symbols will be decided. Suppose here this question, today first question, if 2 sin a by 2 equal to plus is there, strictly here out of these two, here plus taken, and here root 1 minus sin A, here symbol is plus, so plus plus is there. So immediately come to the diagram, immediately you enter into the diagram, plus plus in the first quadrant. First quadrant means the boundaries are pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. A by 2 boundaries are, in the question it is plus plus, so I pick up from the diagram. So lower is pi by, this will be the first pi by 4 to I think 3 pi by 4 the limits. So we want limits. We make these limits into the general values. So 2n pi plus pi by 4 to 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4 where n belongs to z. This is the result. This is the answer for limits of a by 2. Already with the theorem, proof covered, 2 sin a by 2 equal plus or minus plus or minus. Now in given question both are plus. So immediately go to the diagram, plus plus. So pick up first quadrant boundaries. Pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, therefore the limits of a by 2 are 2n pi plus, here basically pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4, but take the general, so 2n pi plus pi by 4, 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4. I think you understood my point. Here, next question, we'll enter into the next question, right, concentrate, here, no deviation. You be alert, then it will be easy for understanding question. Okay, boundaries of half angle application. Suppose question number 2, right? Negative means, second question for today video, if 2 sin a by 2 equal to minus root 1 plus sin a minus root 1 minus sin a, then find limits of a by 2. My dear student, pause the video and try by one. If not, watch it. Here, by direct observation, minus and minus. The question is sin a by 2 relation, means 2s. Actually, s means sin a by 2 in theorem, c means cos a by 2. So the given question, 2 sin a by 2 equal to minus and minus, minus of root 1 plus sin a, minus root 1 minus sin a, the symbols are negative. Immediately, for this 2 sign problem, if it is sign problem, directly enter into this table or diagram, you get the answer. Okay. Within short time, you get the answer. So for explanation, as a teacher, I allot some time for understanding majority of students. So please concentrate and please understand my point here. Minus. Here minus means third quadrant. In third quadrant, 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4 or minus 3 pi by 4 to minus pi by 4, whatever it may be. So the result is a by 2 boundaries. Third quadrant means it will be 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. So the general means 2n pi plus 5 pi by 4, 2n pi plus 7 pi by 4 where n belongs to z. Limits of, I think you understood. Direct answer with a table or graph. I think you catch my point, my dear beloved student. Second question, negative. So pick up the diagram or this table. Third quadrant boundaries. These are the limits of a by 2. Now, concentrate here. Question number 3. Question number 3. Here not sign. Now question modified. Please wait. Your attention required. Otherwise there is a confusion. Here 2 cos a by 2 equal to plus root 1 plus sin a plus root 1 minus sin a. Here there is a difference between first problem. There is a difference between first, second and third. First, second is similar. Because in first problem and second problem 2 sin a by 2 is there on left side. But here in third question it is a 2 cos a by 2. Means already in theorem we discussed s plus c equal to root of 1 plus sin a. Don't write anything. Concentrate here, your attention required. So if you subtract, we get what? If you add, what we get? Observe. By subtracting, SS cancel, 2c is obtained, that is 2 cos a by 2 is obtained. If you add these two, 2s is obtained, that will be 2 sin a by 2 obtained. The symbols plus or minus, it will be decided by the diagram. Already we discussed in s plus c, s minus c, boundaries of half angle. I think you understood. So by subtracting we get, be cautious, that point is very essential. By subtracting means, Here s plus c is there, s minus c is there. Okay, here by subtracting means this plus become minus, minus become plus, means here by subtracting the symbol, here plus become minus, minus become plus, means here be cautious. A tabular form given to you for this for s, this for cos, then there is a clarity. The reason already explained. By subtracting we get 2c. By adding we get 2s. Don't confuse. By subtracting we get what? 2c means 2 cos. So here subtracting means from 1 to 2 means second one symbol changed. Here second one symbol. So second one means this is the second one. You have to change. Here we have to change this. Means, right, don't confuse. No confusion. There is a clarity from my side. Here first quadrant means plus plus. Basic diagram, basic table for sign, it will be negative positive and negative negative, and it will be plus minus. So second one symbol changed means for understanding it takes time. Don't feel bored. It will be minus and it will be minus. Second one only, this will be affected. This remains same. This remains same. Only second one affected. Second one affected. I think you got my point. Now directly. Now question starts. Now I am going to start question. If my dear beloved student, pause the video and try by own. If not, watch. Here question cos, immediately in this tabular form, consider cos question. So take this format, this column into the consideration and pick up the corresponding boundaries, corresponding limits. I think you understood. Here in cos problem, plus and plus is there. So immediately don't go for this column. This column meant for sine, this column meant for cos. I think already that information given. So plus plus means if you observe this table, here it is in the fourth quadrant, new fourth quadrant. So new fourth quadrant boundaries are you have to take. Fourth quadrant, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth quadrant means fourth quadrant means this will be the fourth quadrant. Minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Plus pi by 4. Plus pi by 4. Or 7 pi by 4 to what? 9 pi by 4. Whatever it may be, you choose. Both are correct. So the result is 2n pi minus pi by 4. Right, concentrate. 2n pi minus pi by 4. 2n pi plus pi by 4 or 2n pi plus 7 pi by 4, 2n pi plus what it is, 2n pi plus 9 pi by 4, 9 pi by 4, where n belongs to z, where n belongs to z. Either these are correct or these are also correct. Don't confuse with the two answers. It will be maybe multi options. More than one correct also you have to take because the boundaries are same effect. Minus pi by 4, minus 45 plus 45. 7 pi by 4, 315 to I think 405. Okay, both are same. I think you understood. Hello my dear students. Now it will be work easy for me and also for my student. Now the work will be easy and my student can tackle this question by own. No doubt, no second thought. With three good problems discussion completed. Fourth one like this. Okay. Now try by one, pause the video and try by one. I think you understood. If not, please watch it. Yeah, cos question, negative is there, negative. Immediately, this in table, second column, this table called minus. Immediately minus, it is new second. Concentrate, new second. New second means the boundaries are 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. So the result is 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4 to 2n pi plus 5 pi by 4. Then belongs to z. If one student go by like this also, no problem. 3 pi by 4 to minus 3 pi by 4 also new second quadrant because negative, the second column, second table, that also correct. It will be boundaries if you observe 3 pi by 4 to minus 3 pi by 4. Okay, no problem. Because means it will be like negative to positive. Okay, small to high. So this will be minus 3 pi by 4 this side and 3 pi by 4 that side. Okay, here it will be 135, it will be 225, or it will be minus 3 pi by 4 to plus 3 pi by 4. 2n pi minus 3 pi by 4 to 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4. Okay, I think it will be same result. You understood? Okay. So fourth problem, it is easy. Type directly from the given question. Directly from the given question, we extract the limits of a by 2. We extract the limits of a by 2. Okay. Please note down. Next, the application of boundaries of off angle question. Right. So fifth one. Right. Please note down. Please watch. Show that 4 cos 9 degrees is equal to 3 plus root 5. Okay. Plus root of 5 minus. It is one application of boundaries of off angle. A good question, because 9 degrees not standard angle. You know very well. 9 degrees not standard angle. It will be different. Okay, there is a method to pick up, alternative method. But our intention from boundaries of angle theory and theorem, we are finding application. I think you got my point. Immediately. Okay. If you try by one, pause the video and try. Otherwise, you have to watch again. 9 degrees. So here, let us take a by 2 as 9. So a is 18. I think you understood. Our diagram, this is limits of a by 2. This will be the boundaries of a by 2. So a by 2 9 degrees. Immediately pick up 9 degrees belonging to which quadrant? Be cautious. Which quadrant? Okay. Here 9 degrees. Don't confuse with first quadrant, because 9 degree means 0 to 90 it is first. But it is a new diagram. It is a new diagram. New quadrants are there. 9 degrees not in first. Be cautious. 9 degrees, I think it is in minus pi by 4. I think it will be 0. No doubt it will be 9 degrees in the new quadrant 4. New quadrant 4. Don't think first one. New fourth quadrant. Okay. Our question is cos result. Means already with the previous examples you understood. 2 cos a by 2 result. Okay. 2 cos a by 2 result in plus or minus, this will be the original theorem, but by knowing the boundaries of off angle, this diagram and this table, definitely you get idea. By subtracting we get, by adding we get. With that knowledge, definitely my student can tackle this. Okay, right. So a by 2 9, so 2 cos 9 degrees. Okay, here this is the fourth quadrant. This is the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, if you observe, my dear students, here if you observe, in fourth quadrant, both are positive. Okay, both are positive. No second thought. In fourth quadrant, cos problem. So be cautious, don't confuse. So it will be plus. It will be plus. Here a by 2 is there. Here a is there. Double. A by 2 double. Here a by 2. Here also a double. Means a by 2 18. A 18. A by 2 9. Sorry. A by 2 9. A is 18. So you have to put that. And both are plus symbols. It is in fourth quadrant. I think you understood. Okay. So it will be plus 1 minus sin 80. By knowing a derived angle idea, you know very well sin 18 as root 5 minus 1 by 4. If you substitute that, it will be concentrate. 2 cos 9 equal to plus, strictly plus. Out of plus minus it will be decided plus. Out of minus plus it will be decided as plus. The reason, fourth quadrant, new fourth quadrant. So this will be 1 plus sin 18 value root 5 minus 1 by 4. Plus it will be root 5 minus 1 by 4. Now after simplification, it will be 4 LCM. It will be 4 minus, it will be after LCM 4 minus 1. Concentrate, don't deviate. It will be 3 plus root 5 plus again the same story, 4 LCM, 4 minus 1. It will be LCM 4, I think, plus 5, 4 plus 1, and it will be 5 minus root 5. If you take LCM, here 4, 4, it will be 2, 2. That 2 under cross multiplication here, okay, that 4 as 2 cross multiplication 4 cos 9 equal to root of 3 plus root 5 plus root of 5 minus root 5. I think you understood about question number 6. Now we'll enter into another question based on application of boundaries of angle. Okay, question number Sixth question number. Sixth. Show that 4 sine 27 degrees is equal to root of 5 plus root 5. Very good question. Don't deviate. Okay, it will be minus of 3 minus root 5. Okay, show that 4 sine 27 degrees is equal to root of 5 plus root 5 minus root of 3 minus root 5. I think in similar manner like fifth problem. Okay, patience required in solving applications. Here a by 2 27, a is equal to 54. I think a by 2 27. Now here question is not like a fifth question, it is cos problem. Here it is sine problem. Be cautious. That will be sine or cos, depends on the symbols. That is the story today in this video. Boundaries of half angle application. Now you got my point? A by 2 is 27 degrees belonging to new quadrant. Immediately you pick up. If you try by one, my dear student, pause the video and try by one. If not, please watch. So 27 degrees, immediately it will be 45, it will be minus 45, means minus 45 to 45 means definitely 27 degrees is in the is in the new fourth quadrant number 4. So quadrant number 4, for sine problem, this is the table sine. For cos, this is the table. For sine, it will be, you know very well, by adding we get. Concentrate, don't deviate. Definitely takes time for solving, for understanding each and every, my student. Okay, my beloved student. So fourth quadrant, I think it will be plus minus. It will be plus means, this symbol, plus means for s plus c, minus means for s minus c. Be cautious. This symbol plus for s plus c, this symbol for s minus c. Keeping as x comma y coordinate, this x is s plus c, y is s minus c. Therefore, by subtracting, we get ss cancel, c 2c obtained. So therefore, the symbol plus and plus second symbol changed. That is the reason. Here second symbol changed. Here second symbol changed. Here second symbol change. For understanding purpose, don't feel bored. So fourth quadrant, in fourth quadrant plus minus. So plus means for this plus and this is minus. I think now you understood. Plus minus. Okay. Now immediately substitute. Now immediately you substitute here. A by 2 how much? I think you understood my point here. A by 2, I think 27. Therefore, 2 sine 27 equal to, symbols are very important role it played, is 54 minus 1 minus sine 54. Sine 54, you know very well from derived angle, it will be cos 36. Cos 36 known, root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay. So 2 sine 27 degrees plus root of 1 plus sine 54 as cos 36 as root 5 plus 1 by 4. And like this, it will be root 5 plus 1 by 4. If you take LCM and all, it will be 4 minus here also. Please wait here. Clarity required. Don't confuse you. My dear student, my student in my class never confused, because retention only, not that much intelligence not required. Intelligence or not born by born, not intelligence not required for JEE mains and advanced. Hardworking intelligence are made through teachers' classrooms. I think you know very well that point also minus. So I think it will be 3 minus root 5 by 4. For LCM it will up. Therefore 2 cross multiplication 4 sine 27 equal to, this will be 5 plus root 5 minus 3 minus root 5. I think that is the requirement. I think you understood. Like this, many more applications in half angle or boundaries of half angle with s plus c, s minus c diagram plays important role. So these are the few examples for the boundaries of half angle applications like this. Many more in trigonometry branch. Okay, please watch all my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel KK's Maths Academy for further updates. Click bell icon.